Now folks, it's pretty sad when you don't know if you did the intro yet or not, but I'm gonna do another one. Kitchen update right here on my take on home and garden. So we decided to go with some wallpaper above the cabinets and by the fridge across the doorway. Look at this. We went nuts about it. Found it on Amazon and we'll link it in the description box below. Now, you know, the biggest headache with this is matching it up. So we have a small piece above the cabinets. So I noticed it was going to waste quite a bit. But I've got two different sections. So I'll do one wall with one and one wall with the other, and it'll come out just right with very little waste. We'll see that in a minute. Okay guys, so this is what we went with. A fantastic old-fashioned red you hear me talk about, I love. We both agreed on this. And this is as far as I got. Between the second shot and going to get my smile worked on, it's about everything I could do. Okay guys, so the wallpaper inspiration for today is by Norwal. And it's a full vinyl washable pre-pasted wallpaper. And like I said, we'll link it in the description box. And it's from your local Amazon hub. Take care, folks. Hopefully you agree with our choices. It's coming along pretty good for all the goofy stuff we have to do in between. Thanks for coming by, guys. Just a quick update. And guess what? Friday, we're doing summer arrangements and some decorate. Take care, and we'll see you in the next makeover video.